Hi everybody, this is a tutorial on how to install Kami onto your Chromebook. So here I am on my Chromebook and I'm going to click on the circle or the launcher in the bottom left hand corner of my screen, and this menu is going to pop up. I want to click the arrow pointing up top so I can see all of my tools, and I'm going to look for an icon called Web Store. I click on that and it will open up a Google Chrome web page. So on the Web Store, I'm going to type in the word Kami, Kami, and hit enter. So in Kami, I'm going to have two different apps that I'm looking for. First is going to be under extensions called Kami Extension, PDF, and Document Annotation. So I click on this. You can see that I already have it added. It is right up here in the top right-hand corner. So now my button says Remove from Chrome. If you don't have this yet, your button is going to say Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click that and follow the prompts. The second tool that I'm going to want to have is going to be lower in the menu under Apps. This tool is called Kami PDF and Document Annotation. I click on that and I click on Add to Chrome. You'll have an option like this. Click Add App, and some of these pop-ups will show up. These are good to go. Now you're ready to use Kami to edit any of the PDFs that your teachers submit to you to Schoology. If you've got any questions, ask your teachers.